Hey everybody, welcome to Charles at HumbleMechanic.com. Today we're going to be coming back to you with a video about failed Volkswagen parts. But before we do that, let's talk about the sponsor of the day, Deutsche Auto Parts. The greatest, most amazing parts company in the whole world. They sell Volkswagen and Audi parts, performance, accessories, and more. So today we're going to be talking about Mark 7 push button starts cutting the crap out of your finger. Okay, so we're inside of a Mark 7, and so the push button start right here is what people tend to cut themselves on. So they also tend to cut themselves on this piece here. So what they'll do is they'll go in to reach for their Tic Tacs, and oh my God! Ah! Ah! Now that we've learned reaching in can be dangerous, we can make sure we also use our push button start carefully. Ah! Ah! There is an updated part for this push button start which should help you prevent having issues with yours peeling, cracking, causing you to cut yourself like you saw me do. Alright guys, that wraps up our video on how the Mark 7 push button start fails. Again, make sure you check out the guys at Deutsche Auto Parts. They have the push button starts you need to replace for your vehicle. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, YouTube, Facebook, and always at HumbleMechanic.com.
That would mean I'd have to sprint, and nobody wants to see that.